everyone, welcome to the new video. In this, we are going to learn about electronic spreadsheet or simply Excel. So basically, this is one of the chapter from IT Information Technology for class 9, Unit 9 electronic spreadsheet, and the subject code is 402. Alright, so let's get started with the introduction part. So very first thing, what is Excel? Excel is nothing but a group of so many rows and columns where we enter our data. So how to open Excel? So very first thing, if you have a very new computer, you would see it on your desktop screen, or simply over here where it is written type here to search, just click there and write Excel. So here double click on it. Here you can see my Excel 2019 has opened. So very first thing, at the very leftmost corner, you will see home, new, open. Then below that you will see accounts and options. And here they will just say good morning, good evening according to the time. Here you will see that Excel is open, so it is the title Excel. And here the login email ID of the person and all other things. Here you will find some new blank spreadsheet or workbook. We can't call spreadsheet, it's workbook. So new blank workbooks are given here. So according to the theme, according to your convenience, you can choose whichever you want, and you can make the necessary things on that, like to-do list, project planner, calendar, everything you can do. And if you want a blank, then simply click on blank. So let's click. So here our main page has appeared, and yeah, so very first thing I would like to introduce you to the word spreadsheet. What do you mean by spreadsheet? So spreadsheet is referred to a large sheet of lined paper. So see, it is a very large sheet of lined paper where there are several lines which were used by people in various businesses to record the facts, figures, rows, columns, and then make calculation based on the information. Like sales are there, so how many sales they have done in this particular month, what is their profit, what is the loss, what are the gross margins, expenses, expenditure, income, everything they write over here, and it becomes easy for them to calculate also. Okay, spreadsheet on a computer uses rows and columns to record the information. We can write here text, number, anything you want. Now let me introduce you to this blank, to this not blank but to this page. So see, very first thing you will see book 1 Excel. So book 1 is the title. This is the title bar that contains default workbook name and file name. So the default name is book 1. Then if you open new, it will show book 2. Okay, so it is all about this is the title bar. Okay, title bar. Over here you will see some tools, like this is the tool to save the file. This is undo, redo. Okay, and here you will find some options like email, print and preview. If you want to print and preview how it will look, so simply click on it, and then you will get the dialog box in which it will show what it will print and all. Okay, so here all these things happen. Sort ascending wise, sort descending wise, and this tab is also added, print, preview. Okay, so these are the editing tools. We also call it quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar because we can access it very quickly. Okay, so yeah, it is the quick access toolbar. Next you have menu bar or tab name. So this menu, these file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, and tell me what to do. So these all are menu bar. Sorry, this all are title names in menu bar. Okay. Furthermore, you will see this minimize, maximize, and cross. So these are again the ribbon minimize button. We can customize how we want. Like if I click on minus, then it will move on, it would be disappeared. If I click here, it would be short, so I can open multiple uh, websites and all on my computer. So here you can see this box. So it is like just if you want to share this Excel to anyone else via email and all, so you can do by that. So the next thing you have is this. These are again editing tools which you use to edit, like if you want to cut something, if you want to copy something, and to format painter. Format painter means if you want to apply this particular code which is written in this cell to another cell, so you can do that. This is format painter. Okay. Next here you will see these editing tools for font. So you can choose the font style, font size, then you can customize it: bold, italics, underline, all border, then full color, text color, everything. Next, alignment, where you want to align your font, wrap text, merge and center. Now I will tell you what is wrap text, I will tell you what is merge and center. Numbers, conditioning, formatting, like if this, if that, so it's about that. Okay, here you can edit cells, styles, and add ins. So it's like if you want to add some more things to your computer, like chatbot or Grammarly is mostly added, ChatGPT is added for Excel, you can add that. So here I have added Grammarly and ChatGPT for Excel. Okay, so next thing you have about is this is the ribbons and styles and style tools and all. So just information about that. Now here you will see 13, sorry, it's not 13, it's 1, it's I3. I3 is the address of the cell. Now if I place this green color box over here just by clicking, then you will see P4. So yes, it is the this cell address bar, which tells us the address of cell. Next, here you can write the formula if you want to use any formula for addition, subtraction, division, modulus, anything you can write here. And this is known as columns: A, B, C, D. They are columns. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite. Not infinite, of course, the last number is there. And there are how many, just comment how many rows and columns are present. All right. So this 1, 2, 3, and so on is known as row. All right. So these are row heading. We call them row heading. We call these cell head column heading. Here you will see some arrows like this. Okay, here though they are disabled now, click left to scroll and click right to scroll and see all the sheets. So you can click on that. Now here, let's say you wrote something data over here. Now for this is for a particular particular part, or just for a particular theme introduction. You want to write some another one, so you cannot continue in same Excel sheet, right? It would be so chaos and confusing. So you can create a sheet 2 in same file. Okay, so this was all about. And this is the scroll bar. You can scroll it here and there. This is also the scroll bar. There are two scroll bars. And what else is remaining? Yeah, so these are the view buttons. Here you have this normal view. Which view you want exactly? So this view or this one? Okay, it's too much chaosy and all, but this normal view is fine. Okay, then you have maximize, minimize. You can zoom it like this, you can zoom out like this. Okay, zoom in and zoom out. Oh, so this was all about. Okay guys, so it was all about that we learned about the interface and all. So now let's get started with the practical, right? Because we are almost done, almost. So this is the workbook. And what is workbook, what is worksheet? So see, workbook means Excel files. Excel files. Now here file, when I go to file, so this essential numbers I have written. If I save this blank workbook, then it would be workbook. And this workbook is automatically shows the number of shows in the workspace when you open Microsoft Excel. Okay, each file in Excel is referred as workbook, nothing like that. See here, I opened the new one, but I don't need it, so leave it. MS backstage view. So backstage view means how it looks like. If I clicked on file, then you will see some options like information, open, save as, save, print, share, export, close. So if you go on information, then see, if you want to protect your workbook, then always like some information is there like account number, bank number is written, and if you don't want other people to see it, if you want to just allow some specific people, number of people to see, then you can share the password with them. So always open, read only, encrypt with password. So if I click on encrypt with password, so this file contains means encrypt the contents of this file. So you can assign a password, and if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So of course it is advisable to keep the list of the passwords. And yeah, it was all about password and how to assign passwords, and also many documental, many more private files are having password to them, office files and all. Okay, so merge with workbook means if you want to merge so many workbook, if they are not in 1, 2, 3 sheet, so you can merge them. Inspect means check for the issue, what exactly happens, is there any another misleading information or anything you want. And browser view options are also there. So ठीक है, done with that, the workbook name appears, your information about that particular workbook is given. So now creating workbook, enter, editing, deleting data in workbook. Let's get started. So very first, click on this. Sorry, go to the blank workbook. Okay. Now click. Okay. Okay. Now here just you have to enter it. Enter any specific data that you want. So very first, to enter the data, let's go to this B, C. Okay. Let's go to A. And here I want to write my school's name, JSPM. Oh, I want it capital, so caps lock, JSPM. JSPM's Prodigy Public, JSPM's Prodigy Public School. Okay, so this is what I want, but I want this JSPM to be in middle over here somewhere, and I want Prodigy Public below it. So what I'll do, I'll simply select this row till this R. Oh, I don't want this another one. Okay, select till R only, and then when you will select it, just drag and drop and click on merge and center. So see, all the cells are merged and it appeared in the center. Now why is it showing this dotted line? Even I'm kind of confused. Let me open the new file. It's not showing here, I guess. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Extremely sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, let me write my school's name. JSPM Prodigy Public School. Okay, so JSPM I want to merge it, so I will simply select this rows and merge and center, so it will be appeared at the center. Okay, now see here I zoomed out, appeared in the center. Next you have this Project Public School, so simply you select it and click on merge and center. Oh, you won't select only this particular file, particular error. Select this whole thing, merge and center. Okay, so why it is showing like this, because here I selected a very wide amount of rows, so simply I don't want it. Okay, so I'll select till Q. Okay, now merge and center. All right, satisfied now. Fine. Now here we did merge and center, so this was our little bit heading. Now let's enter some of the names of students. Names. Okay, not names. Name, class, division, roll number, and let's see, we have to enter some marks. So SST, PE, math, science. So we have some particular subjects over here. So alright, let's name it A, B, C, B, C, D, K, L, M, N, O, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. I'm just randomly writing anything. G, H, Y, J, K, L. Okay, so these are some people in my class. Now class, of course, I will write here 1, capital 1 in Roman numbers. 1, 2. Now let's select it and drag it. Let's see whether it comes 3, 4, 5. Oh no, it's not coming 1, 2, 3. Maybe it didn't identify the Roman numerals. So 1, 2, 3. I, V, 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 I, V, I, V, I. So these are some people of different class of division. Let's say A, B. Now see A, B. Oh, why it's not autofilling? I don't know. Let me click on autofill. Mostly it autofills it, but I don't know what's the problem. Maybe C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Alright, roll number 1, 2. Now let me try. Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now SST marks 55 out of 60 I'm giving. 24, 8, 45, 12, 35, 47, 29, 30. Out of 60 I'm giving, right? 50. Oops, sorry, not 50. And here just writing random numbers. Okay. Oops, it should be 56. Alright. I'm just entering random data, even you do the same. Oh, so sorry, I don't know what happened. 45, 51, 52, 8, 35, 26. Okay, so these are some data. Now see, here it is aligned at the leftmost left. Here it is aligned at left, here right, right. So what is going on? So simply I'll select it and I'll click on this thing in alignment center. So see, everything appeared at center. Now here if I don't want any of these lines, and also I will simply click on it. Okay, so it is like doing this, so it's not better. We shouldn't do that. Alright, now here let's total up. So total of the marks. So what you will do, there is one formula, equals to, remember in Excel formula starts with equal to sum of this person, this. Oh, I didn't select it properly. Equals to sum bracket. I forgot to give the bracket. Yeah. So number 1 plus number 2 plus number 3 plus number 4, and then close bracket, enter. So you will say this person got 176. But will I do the same for everything? Of course not. So here I will click on this row. I will click format printer, and then I will do like this. and enter. Oh, wait a minute. Format printer and what happened? Wait a minute. Simply drag and drop. Okay, done. So yeah, this is how we did the total. And if you want this at the center, so what you will do, we'll select this format printer and then drop it here. But it's just coming for the one thing, right? Why not others? Yeah, it's coming now. So here we aligned it in the middle. Now let's highlight this JSPM Project Public School. Let's make it bold. So see, there it is bold now. And this names class division, it should be in much greater font. So I increase the font. Now see, the science is not visible, so you can simply increase the width of the column. Total can increase the width. Now see, this person has got this much marks. Now let's see who got the maximum marks in the class or in the school. So how will you do that? So there is one formula, equals to max, and then you will select this. Press enter. So 176 is the maximum, and now who got 176? Okay, so this person ABC, you got 176. But if you are having endless list and you got one maximum number 176, so how will you do? So what you will do, you will select this row first of all, and here you will click on sort and filter. So just click on filter. Sorry, you will just yeah, you will just click that. So when you click on this down arrow, you will click on it, and here you will select that number 176, and then you will press OK. So only that person's data is visible, and that is person A, B, C. So here's how you are able to filter and see who got the data. Oh sorry, who got the highest number. All right, so this was all about functions and all and all. So use Control D to fill down the selection and Control R to fill selection with active for itself. So here this was the fact which was given in my book and I just read it. Okay, now we are almost done with everything. If you want to clear all the content in this, like if you want to clear everything, you can simply select it and click on delete. Or else what you can do is to delete more than one cells, select cells and key, select the delete key or select the cell data and click on clear. Like if you selected this, so one option becomes clear, but when you right click, then it will show you clear content. When you click on it, so see all the data is clear, and if you again want it, so you can undo it from here. Alright, so yes, it was all about. Let's revise one important point, that if you want to save this file, you can simply press Ctrl S, and here it is book 3, and you can save where you want. You can save it in XLSX. It is the extension of Excel. If you want to save it in form of PDF or in form of HTML, in form of anything, then you can simply click that particular extension from this, and ODS, open document, spreadsheet and all, then PDF also you will get that. If you want to print this same thing on one sheet of paper, what you can do is simply control P, print. So this is how it will be printed, but you can see JSPM is going somewhere else, it is coming somewhere else. Okay, don't worry, I will tell you what to do. So simply select everything. Now see, you will select this thing, and just a minute guys. Okay, I must take this. So I will select This is also not fair. Okay, all this is merged, therefore it's showing this problem. We should have written it in middle, but now what we can do is nothing. So just simply select it, it's okay. And here you will see print, preview and print. Print, preview and print. You will click on it, print, preview and print, and you can see the JSPM Prodigy Public School has arrived over here. And as we wrote in very leftmost corner, so it is showing like that. All right, leave it, no problem. Fit to sheet on one page, you can do like this scheme. If you want to see the total also, so you can see all the total. You can also fix the side. If you can also fix the view, like you want to portrait or orientation. Yeah, orientation, portrait or landscape. So see landscape, it will show something like this. And yes, here we are done. And here in page layout also you can fix orientation, portrait or what you want exactly. You can choose the color, you can choose the font, everything you can do. If you selected it, if you click on spellings, you will get the wrong spellings and all. If you want to protect the sheets, you have to click on it, password, and then you are almost done. Okay guys, hope you understood what to do. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be coming with more advanced things with Excel. Thank you everyone. Bye.